We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Hey everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up NZD, USD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Price action. Last candle market is a bearish candle, so markets are going to work its way down from the area. Price action overall, high is high. Price action overall, low is slow. Midpoint in the middle. So let's head over to price action to see what's going on in that market and what we see. So price action is a bearish candle. We have an area of where price is coming from. So price is coming from this multiple pushes to the top. So think about this area being a triple top or double top. Price spiked up once, came back down, spiked up twice, came back down. Altogether, spiked up 3 times. So triple top. But just look at it as a double top. First, second, third, fourth. Market broke, came back to retest the previous area. So that's the break and retest. And market spiked up once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5. So that's cap, and market's coming back down to that midpoint, which already made it there. So we're going to see if the market's going to come out of this area to create that pattern of a W. So if that market pushes up, we'll be seeing that market come from that first leg, second leg, third leg, and we're looking for an engulfment pattern near price action to push up for that fourth leg, and we'll see that W. Now, if not, price is coming from multiple pushes to that top. Market can't break. Market breaks down from the M pattern that's in that area. So market breaks. We'll see the break of that M. Then we look for the market to retest. And we look for another pattern to see if that market's gonna work its way down further. If not, market just drop down to the next full level. Headed down to the weekly time frame to see what's going on. So price action on a weekly time frame, last candle in the market, is a bearish candle. The previous candles are bearish, so it's trying to work its way down. So price action is leveled off with the previous side, which is creating an area of support. So we're going to see if that market is going to identify a pattern here. So if it does, we can see that first leg, second leg, third leg. Look for the identification for that bullish engulfing. If it does happen, the market push up for that W. If not, prices looking to drop in this area here. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, the market coming down for the fourth. So we do see that M pattern again. If the market does break that area, look for the market to come back to retest. So that would be the break and retest that area. So, or that market's going to consolidate in this area here. Or I say here. Headed down to the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on. Price action, bearish candles, price working its way down. Side by side with the previous candle. They just broke it just a little bit, but still at that level of support. So if market's going to break, we'll be able to see the break of the multiple touches that's in this area here. So we'll be identifying that first, second, third. Market push down for that fourth. So we look for a break and retest. Now, if the price is respected, we look for that W on the daily time frame for that first, second, third. We look for the engulfment patterns. So we look for some bullish patterns to engulf to show it's going to market's going to push up. The market will be coming from that W. Can be coming from that W. Headed down to a 4-hour time frame to see what's going on. Price action, a bearish candle. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is a bearish candle. Take a look at what's going on. And we're in the same thing. We're getting our same structure on the daily of that M pattern. So if you guys watching the 4-hour, we do see that spike up for the first leg, second leg, third. The market is leveled back off. So daily and the weekly is reading the same thing. Let's see if we can head over to price closer, price action to see if we can identify something in the market. I mean, all we're receiving is the break and retest of the previous areas. So let's draw this here. So market broke, came back to retest, broke, came back to retest, and now it broke and hit a retest. So market's sitting right here. So market's going to push down further. We're looking for that bearish candle to identify itself for that market to push down to the next level. If not, market will be pushing up. It'll be coming from this pattern right here, which will be a W. Headed down to a 3 bearish candle. So we're trying to see that market side by side in this area here. Could be creating some type of structure. So if this support is respected, we'll be seeing that first, second, third, which is on. Market push up for the fourth. If not, we look for that break of that area. Market come back to retest, work its way down further. Headed down to the 2, 3, 2, identifying the same thing. Also bearish candles. Also with the 1 hour. We have a little bit of consolidation in price action with the bearish candles, second last candle, third last candles, consolidation work its way sideways. But we can see that structure in there. So if that market does push up, and we do see that first, second, third, market push up for that fourth, so we identify that double bottom. If not, we look for that market to, let's clear some of this off. We're looking for that market to tag that area for that first, second, third, fourth. So we got a double bottom above price action. That's the retest of this area here, and market pushed down once. So we're still looking for a full break of this area, the market to retest to see that market is going to come down further. Headed down to the 45-minute time frame. Price action, bearish candle, a bullish candle, green trying to work his way up. We don't know how far it's going to go. If it does work its way up for this level, we look for price action, which is a bullish candle. The next following candle to engulf the second last candle currently in the market to push that market up for that W structure, which you'll see first, second, third. The market pushes up. If not, market's coming from that area of resistance. So 1 hour, 45 minutes, reading the same thing. Headed about 30 minutes to see what's going on. Price action at 30. Price action stopped in the mid-range. So if you think about it as price action, bearish candle, markets are trying to work its way down. We have the highest that area. We have the lowest that area. We have a midpoint. So price is right below that midpoint. So we're going to see if this market's going to respect and go up or break. If that market's going to break, we're looking for price action to engulf the second to last candle in the market. Push that market down further. And we can see some type of structure forming on a 15-minute time frame. Now, it can be a break and retest, and market drops down further. So have these areas here. Market broke, retest, working its way down. If not, that market's going to respect it for that first, second, third. The market's pushing up for that fourth. So it's just like a retest here. And we'll see a bounce up if that market's working its way up. I hate to see even identify a triple bottom of that area. Headed down to the 5-minute. We got this area of support. So price action high, price action low. Prices on the midpoint line. So if price going to be respected, we'll see that first, second, third, fourth retest. Markets work his way up. So price will be coming from a triple bottom or maybe a head and shoulders pattern, depending how deep the retest is for this near price action. And if it's a 5-minute, we are looking for that first, second, third, fourth. So we do have a double bottom, a break, a retest. We look for a market to identify itself here, push down further. If it does happen for the bearish candle near price on the 5-minute time frame. 3 minutes reading the same thing. And let's head over to the 1 minute. Same as well. 1 minute we say area consolidation. Yeah, so we're looking for price to break this area to work its way down to the next level. And we have multiple pushes to the top. 1, 2, triple top overall, multiple pushes overall in that area. So it's a triple top overall with multiple pushes, as you can see. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. NZD, USD.